I would like to here highlight, as I've said in the first response that I have given, that diversification is the very basis of expansion of the industry. And diversification is possible when more and more farmers practice farming with certified seeds and other. Also, farmer income goes up with intercropping and new technologies being inserted. As I had said, my senior colleague Shri Radhamohan Singh ji took a meeting, and we have decided that through every Krishi Vigyan Kendra, we reach out to farmers and tell them about the viability of better farming practices. Insofar as how we support industry, sir, out of the 97 composite mills in the country, 88 are within the domain of the private sector. 78% of the jute produced in India is actually produced in the state of West Bengal. And we have continuously engaged with states which are jute producing and have a huge infrastructure and jute mill component to ensure that they strengthen the industry there, which includes strengthening the working conditions of the people in the organized sector. We have had a MOU done with the National Institute of Design, Ahmedabad, so that we can help the industry through design intervention better the quality of their products. We are also promoting, as I have said earlier, jute as geotextiles, not only in build tech, but also it helps in better life capacity of roads which are built with the help of jute, and also use it, especially in the northeast. We have had successful results by using jute in sloping activities. So far as the sustainable aspect of jute, I must compliment the Honorable Senior Member, because when you look at and you study the acreage of jute, you understand that per acre of jute, about 6 metric tons of carbon dioxide is actually absorbed, and 4.4 metric tons of oxygen is released into the atmosphere. So in terms of the economic and environmental sustainability of jute, there should be no debate. Insofar as how do we kind of propagate the environmental aspects and the properties of jute, as I've said in geotextiles, when you talk about containing landslides, you try and use jute as stopping this landslide, so that this is obviously a biodegradable element which will help in ensuring sustainability, in helping the growth of the industry, and also ensure that efforts like building of roads also have an element of jute and reduction of use of plastic. Thereby, we are complementing growth of industry and the environmental concerns as articulated by the Honorable Member. But sir, traditionally our jute mills are dependent on the packaging orders that they get from centre and state. And given that the centre does through FCI demands have an order of close to 5,000 crore per year to sustain the industry, we additionally are writing to state government, especially like the state government of Bengal, requesting them that the paddy and the rice that they procure be compulsorily be packaged in jute, because it's a food item, thereby increasing the the capacity and generate an additional demand of 80,000 metric ton. We've also requested them that you package potatoes and other vegetables in jute Hessian bags, which will also again increase demand by 40,000 metric tons, but also be environmentally very complementary to the vegetables and the food articles we consume.
3 मस्जिद एक मंदिर हिंदू समुदाय के द्वारा है। 3 मस्जिदों पर माइक रहेगा, लेकिन मंदिर से माइक उतार दिया जाता है। क्या यही सेकुलर एजेंडा है इन लोगों का? यही सेकुलरिज्म है?